Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Fitbit Versa 4. To begin, simply press and hold the side button to power on your device. Once active, you can easily navigate by swiping across the vibrant touchscreen to explore various menus and statistics. A quick tap selects an option, and pressing the physical button will always bring you back to your main clock face. Remember to link your Versa 4 with the Fitbit app on your phone for a seamless initial setup, and to start tracking your progress right away. Your Versa 4 is a powerful health companion, offering continuous heart rate monitoring around the clock. It automatically tracks your daily steps, distance, and calories, helping you stay active. Dive deeper into your well-being with detailed sleep stage analysis, providing valuable insights into your rest quality. With more than 40 exercise modes, you can precisely track your favorite workouts, seeing real-time statistics as you move. Plus, keep an eye on your blood oxygen saturation levels for a comprehensive view of your health. Beyond fitness, your Versa 4 keeps you connected. You'll receive all your essential smartphone notifications, from calls and texts to app alerts, right on your wrist. For ultimate convenience, you can even answer calls directly from your watch when your phone is close by. Make quick, secure purchases with Fitbit Pay, tapping your device at any compatible terminal. Plus, leverage the integrated voice assistant for quick commands and effortlessly control your music playback, all without needing to grab your phone. Make your Versa 4 uniquely yours by selecting from hundreds of diverse clock faces available through the Fitbit app. Expand its functionality by downloading various applications from the Fitbit app gallery, tailoring your smartwatch experience. You'll appreciate the robust battery, offering up to 6 days of power on a single charge, though this can vary with usage. Recharging is swift, taking about 1 hour to reach full capacity with the magnetic cable. To maximize your battery, consider adjusting screen brightness and managing background app activity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.